the best voice changing app for your Android, iOS, and PC. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video, I'm going to show you the list of best voice changing app on your iOS, Android, and PC. So let's head into the topic. In the very list, we have Call Voice Changer, Int Call, Mazicall, Funny Calling app, Hitpa Voice Changer, which is a software. The two are apps, and the third one is a software that you can use in your PC, and is very useful and very easy to use. You can also use it in your Android or iOS, but it's more comfortable to use in PC. So talking about the two applications, how we can use it is go to the Google Play Store or App Store on our device. After heading to the Google Play Store or App Store of our device, on the top search bar, we can simply search for Int Call Voice Changer app. When we tap for this, the option will be seen on our screen if it is available in your region. And talking about the other option, you can simply search for Mazicall Voice Changer app. So you can see this is the very application I was talking about, but since it is not available in my region, I cannot use it. But this is not the only option. There are many other options for your voice changing. So if it is not available in your region, don't be sad. You can simply tap for voice changer apps and you can see a number of lists. But these were some very exciting and very fun-loving list of voice changing apps on our list today. So I hope you liked it. If you liked it, then please do thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment on the comment section below. Thank you.